Watch the balcony, Group C.
Got it.
Got it. This frame is coming down now. Bring that wheelbarrow around. We need to load this up. Hit that top section with the hose again. All right, moving up now. Keep scrubbing the base down there.
Laser shows significant deflection on the column. Copy that. Marking the repair zone on the balustrade now.
Make sure you get deep into that crack. Yeah, I'm applying pressure now. This heritage stuff sets quick. Bring it in now. Watch the ropes, hold it steady. Setting it down, easy. Almost there, push it in gently.
Yep.
Secure it on the left. Looks good, hold it right there. This one goes right here.
Okay.
Okay, hold it steady. Little more to the left. Perfect. Tuck these cables in tight along the channel.
Roger that. Check.
How's the warmth on the portico? Little further. Is that straight now? Yeah, it looks good. Secure it there. Hey, put that barrier right there.
Yeah.
All right, watch the ladder. We need another light over here. This section here doesn't match the existing structure. See the laser line? Yeah. We'll need to rescan the elevation and update the schematic. Let's mark this area for priority shoring. Keep pushing that screed forward. Need more compound on the left side.
We need more plaster on this section. Bringing it up now. Pull that wire through conduit 3. It's snagged, hold on. Use the yellow lubricant.
Raise it slowly, keep it level. Steady now, watch the left side. Almost there, just a little higher. I'm showing 6 feet exactly to the mantle. The railing height is inconsistent up here. The pitch is definitely uneven. Look at the reading on the level. Hold that beam steady. All right, drill in the bracket now. Check the level on this side. Make sure that connection is tight. It's good. Are you ready for the next section of rail? All right, push from your side. Watch out, coming through. We need that lighting rig set up over there next. Clear the path, we're moving the panels.
Drapery is down, moving to the fireplace debris.
All right, sweep this section fast.
Is that medallion secure up there? Almost. Just need to brace this section.
These cornices look balanced now. Yes, and the cream tones really brighten the room. Pass me that last piece of molding. How's the final coat holding up on the parquet? Just finished buffing the last section, it looks great. Stand clear, activating the main chandelier circuit now.
Ready to lift? Okay, watch the left side. Look centered now. Almost there, just past this doorway. Careful with the chair.
Let's get these boards closer to the fireplace. All right, I'll move the ladder out of the way first.
Watch the side, make sure it clears the molding.
Okay.
Okay, keep it steady. We're almost there. Where do you want these longer pieces? Just stack them against the far wall for now. Hand me that fine plaster mix. All right, secure the cornice trim first. Let's check the plans for the layout. Okay, the fixtures go here, and the stone samples over there. See this detail here on the schematic? It aligns right there. Yes, that matches the layout mark. That's the last piece for the shower wall.
Yeah.
Looks perfect. The clients are going to love this finish. All right, let's get these tools cleared out.